Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have got something really exciting to share with you. Zerodha has officially released MCP servers that allows users to interact with their portfolios using LLMs or large language models through something called the MCP protocol. For starters, MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It's a groundbreaking way that allows LLMs like Claude or even VS Code based AI interfaces to connect with the outside world and interact with real-time tools and data. Mr. AI company came up with this protocol, the same folks behind Claude. MCP setup includes three parts. Client. This is the LLM interface like Claude or your IDE where you ask questions. Host. The software environment that runs and supports the MCP protocol. Examples include Claude Desktop or VS Code. Server. This is the actual config or backend tool that connects everything together, such as Zerodha's new MCP server. How to set it up? First of all, you need to install Claude Desktop and Node.js in your machine. After you are done installing, open Claude Desktop, click on the hamburger icon, then go to File, Settings, scroll to the Developer section and click on Edit Config. Here, you need to add the Zerodha MCP server configuration which is provided in the Zerodha blog or here in my YouTube video description. Once you are done, save it and you may have to restart your computer to make it work. That's it. Now, you just go to the chat window and start talking to your LLM. You can ask it about your portfolio, returns, stock performance, or anything else, just like chatting with your friend. And it is totally safe. Zerodha is really ahead of the game here. They are acting like an AI first company here. You don't need complex math or spreadsheets anymore. Just ask the LLM and you get answers instantly and in plain language. If you face any issues during setup, drop a comment below. I'll help you out. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.